At NEMO, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. Featuring a radical hybrid design, our best-selling flyer pad is now also NEMO's first bluesign product and the first bluesign self-inflating pad on the market. Combining the thickness of an air pad with the plush durability of a foam pad, Flyer checks all the boxes with minimal weight consequences. Our innovative construction method cuts multiple undulating foam ridges that nest together perfectly, reducing waste in production and creating a surface that provides support and loft in the peaks and warmth retention in the valleys. During the sculpting process, we hollow out each horizontal channel, a step that removes 60% of the foam for weight reduction and a high R value. That core material is then repurposed as filler for other consumer products. These hollow channels provide progressive suspension for sink-in comfort as you lay down or adjust your positioning. Meanwhile, the valleys between the channels are left as solid foam bridges to provide protection from any bottoming out. And despite providing 2 inches of reliable comfort when inflated, an increase in thickness of almost 2,000%, this pad packs down incredibly small. Topped with a recycled and bluesign approved 20 denier embossed fabric, Flyer is soft and durable for a quiet, cozy sleep experience. Unpack Flyer and watch it self-inflate. Adjust your comfort level using the zero profile lay low valve for convenient fine-tuning, fast inflation and deflation. Even in snowy or rocky locations, Flyer's progressive support and 3.3 R value keeps you warm and cozy, floating you comfortably above cold, uneven ground. Utilizing sculpted foam with baffle coring for lightweight packability and highly durable welded seams for performance reliability, Flyer can go with you further into the wild. Offered in regular wide, and long wide models, and ranging from 20 to 25 inches wide and 72 to 76 inches long, this exceptionally warm and supportive pad series starts at 1 pound 6 ounces. And with its materials and production process earning the bluesign seal of approval, you can truly rest easy knowing that this pad was made with a minimum impact on people and the environment. When backcountry treks demand the best virtues, durability, comfort, convenience, security, thickness, and ultralight packability, Flyer delivers all with a sculpted topology that affords a fast recovery after a hard day on the mountain. And like all NEMO products, your Flyer comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.